Jeremy Howard made a video stating the benefits of wearing face masks. Here are some of the key points that we got from Jeremy Howard's video. Any country where wearing masks is a regular thing, their spread of COVID-19 is reduced because they're already stopping one of the transmission ways, which is from droplets, right? Coming out of our mouth. So we're speaking to other people and it's landing on them and we're catching it. Their whole campaign is that my mask protects you and your mask protects me. So face masks paired with self-distancing from people, they're seeing a massive reduce in their curve. Here is a little snippet from a study by the University of Michigan. Dr. Arnold Monto reported a 75% reduction in flu-like illnesses when subjects practiced hand hygiene, i.e. washing hands regularly, wearing a face mask and gloves. Best defense against it is a surgical mask, which is N95. Doctors, nurses, everyone within there use. We don't want to take those away from people. Okay, there already is a shortage of PPE, personal protective equipment. But as you go down on the list, you see that a cotton blend household t-shirt that everyone would have at home blocks 70% of them. So you're reducing the amount that's getting into your system, which gives your immune system the ability to then start building antibodies to fight the virus itself. If we ever do get a big hit of it, we've already have a strong immune system that can then fight it and then get rid of it. Can wearing masks help delay, slow down, and maybe eventually stop the spread of COVID-19? And the answer is yes. It sure looks like they can, by at least 50 to 75%. Last thing we're gonna leave you with is this little screenshot of the 4 things that every country that isn't in lockdown did. First thing they did was rigorous testing regardless of symptoms, and then rigorous contact tracing. Next thing, they quarantined the infected immediately. And the last thing they did was masks for all their citizens. Your mask protects me and my mask protects you. So a big shout out to Jeremy Howard. Put a link to his video and his channel in the description below, as well as a link to all the studies, facts and stats that we have as well. Let's stop the spread of COVID. Stay safe, stay active, stay clean.